How to fix Instagram followers stuck in less than 1 minute. So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and fast. All what you have to do is simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the wireless and networks. And after you go to it, now go to Wi-Fi and make sure to disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. After this step, now all what you have to do is go back. Now scroll down, go to the apps manager, and here on this page go to the apps, scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it, click here on the storage, click on clear data, and now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.